Hi everyone, welcome back to our Koso Kitchen. My name is Eriko. I'm a holistic nutritionist. July 16 is National Ice Cream Day. So today I'm going to show you how to make high protein postbiotics Ars Koso ice cream with only 3 ingredients. Today I'm going to use Ars Koso Lower Sugar, cottage cheese, and mango. You can use any fruits you like. Also, you can use Ars Koso Original instead of Ars Koso Lower Sugar. Ars Koso Lower Sugar is our newer product. Original Ars Koso contains about 9 grams of sugar per serving. Ars Koso Lower Sugar contains only 2.7 grams of sugar per serving. If you have a special diet or if you are trying to reduce sugar intake, Ars Koso Lower Sugar is for you. Now I'm going to explain how to make this easy postbiotics ice cream. This is very easy to make. Add cottage cheese, mango, and Ars Koso Lower Sugar to a blender and blend until smooth and creamy. Add mixture into a container and place in the freezer for about 4 hours until it gets hard. Remove from the freezer. Let it soften for 5 to 10 minutes. Use an ice cream scoop or spoon to scoop into bowls and enjoy. Try this high-protein postbiotics Ars Koso ice cream. This ice cream contains probiotics, prebiotics, and postbiotics to support your gut health and balance your body and mind. It also contains nutrients from Ars Koso. Ars Koso contains more than 100 ingredients and it's fermented over 1 year. You also get nutrients from mango and cottage cheese. You will get more protein from this Ars Koso ice cream. Regular ice cream usually contains about 5 grams of protein per cup. This Ars Koso ice cream contains about 12 grams of protein per cup. Which flavor of ice cream you like the most? Let us know in the comment. Thank you for watching. Happy National Ice Cream Day. Bye.